Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful, unique and a decent blend of simple and easy to make hand embroidered dresses designs. Yes friends, but the scope is not only limited to this, you can use these very beautiful embroidery patterns into a variety of different type of accessories and different type of stylized patterns of dresses as well. So the whole embroidery patterns are totally entirely based on one embroidery stitch, that is a lazy daisy stitch or a daisy stitch or a lazy stitch or a lazy daisy floral embroidery patterns. These are the different names attributed to the one embroidery stitch. You can make the whole pattern with one embroidery stitch. Doesn't this sound amazing and attractive? So guys, if you are hand embroidery beginner, hand embroidery lover or an hand embroidery artist and you are in search of extremely easy and eye-catchy designs of hand embroidery, then this video collection is an absolute treat for you. There are different combination of floral patterns as well. So those floral patterns could be used as hoop art, as all over embroidery spray, as a back motif, as a motive of yoke, frocks or skirts of your baby girls. Even you can also make these motifs onto your blouses, onto different type of accessories, like you can make them onto your handbags, onto your school college going fabric material based bags, onto your vanity bags, even onto your glasses covers, onto your mobile cases.